Have you ever wondered about the origins of the United States Constitution, the very document that shapes the governance of one of the most powerful nations on Earth? What were the circumstances that led to its creation, and how has it evolved over the centuries? The story begins in the late 18th century. It was the summer of 1787, and the United States was a young nation, fresh from the throes of the Revolutionary War. The Articles of Confederation, which served as the nation's first constitution, were proving inadequate. Leaders from across the 13 states gathered in Philadelphia with a common goal: to form a more perfect union. So the Constitutional Convention began. 55 delegates, including notable figures like George Washington and Benjamin Franklin, convened in the Pennsylvania State House. They debated, they argued, and they compromised. The process was not easy, but it was necessary. The result? A new constitution that established a federal government with three distinct branches: the legislative, the executive, and the judicial. Fast forward to 1788, the Constitution was ratified by 9 of the 13 states, and it became the supreme law of the land. It was a groundbreaking document that established a system of checks and balances, ensuring no single entity held absolute power. But the story doesn't end there. The Constitution is a living document, designed to adapt with time. This adaptability is most evident in the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments added in 1791. These amendments safeguard the fundamental rights and freedoms of individuals, including freedom of speech, religion, and the right to a fair trial. Over the centuries, the Constitution has seen 27 amendments. From the abolition of slavery with the 13th Amendment in 1865 to the 19th Amendment in 1920, which granted women the right to vote, these amendments reflect the evolving values of the nation. So, what have we gathered from this journey through time? The United States Constitution wasn't a document created in a day. It's a product of extensive deliberation and compromise. It's an evolving document designed to adapt to changing times, as seen in its 27 amendments. It's a testament to the nation's enduring commitment to democracy, upholding the principles of checks and balances, and protecting citizens' rights and freedoms. Indeed, understanding the Constitution is to appreciate the essence of the United States, a nation built on the ideals of democracy, freedom, and justice. It's a story of a young nation's struggle to find its footing, the wisdom of its leaders, and the enduring spirit of its people. And it's a story that continues to unfold as the Constitution adapts to the changing times, shaping and reflecting the values of the United States.